Hey guys, this is Midlife Wanderings. It has been over a year since we redid our bathroom with wall tiles, and I noticed that it is still being viewed by people. So I thought I would make an update video of how it is. But anyway, here it is, 1 year. No, it had been 1 year in August since my husband and I installed it. And here it is. Still looking good. We didn't have any problem with it. No leaking. It's still looking beautiful, like the day that we installed it. So this is how I clean it. Probably like once a week. Scrub the whole thing. You know, the sides. Everybody has their shower at night. Then I come in for mine, but before I do that, squirt it with soft scrub, wipe it down, and then rinse it, and that's it. That's all I do. So anyway, like I said, since I noticed that there's a lot of people watching that how-to video that we did, I thought I'd give you guys an update and how this is how it looks like more than a year after we installed it. So this is how I clean after my husband and son are done showering. Before I shower myself, I squirt it with the cleaner, just like that. I use a soft cloth. I'll just wet it and then scrub the whole area. And that's what I've been doing. Okay, well, that's how I clean the Palisade wall tiles. And there hasn't been any leaking. There really isn't any. I don't think there's mold or mildew anywhere. It's still looking good. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is Midlife Wanderings. I will see you on our next vlog. Thanks again. Have a great day and Merry Christmas. Bye.